This GTS is beautiful. The 20 wheels really make the car look dynamite, and the black-on-black color scheme is classic. It has factory navigation, and we just installed 4 new tires and new front brake pads to get this one ready for its new owner. Call us today,